In the beauty industry, there are lavish treatments worth thousands, yet none of them compare to one humble, everyday ingredient that's so inexpensive they'd never want you to discover it. Today, I'm sharing a very special skincare recipe using an ingredient so familiar that most of us throw it away every day. And what may surprise you even more is the banana peel. Behind that thin layer is a wealth of vitamins and minerals that can help soften the look of fine lines, support brighter, healthier-looking skin, and gently work like nature's version of a skin smoothing treatment. Let's get started. First, we'll cut the banana peel into small pieces to help release its nutrients more effectively when added to the recipe. Don't underestimate this thin layer. It contains natural collagen, magnesium, potassium, and many skin-loving vitamins. These elements work together to soften the look of fine lines, improve the skin's smoothness, and bring out a natural radiance. Now, we'll prepare the oil base that allows the banana peel to deliver its full skin nourishing benefits. Begin by pouring 100 milliliters of olive oil into a bowl. Olive oil is one of the richest natural sources of antioxidants and is known for its ability to deeply moisturize and replenish areas of dry or dull skin. It acts like a soft, breathable layer over the surface, helping the skin feel less rough and restoring a naturally smooth appearance. Next, add 2 teaspoons of rice bran oil. This oil is often called liquid gold because it contains vitamin E plant sterols and beneficial fatty acids. It also helps support the cell renewal process, something especially important for skin after age 50. When these 2 oils come together, they create a deeply nourishing base that's ready to draw out all the valuable nutrients from the banana peel. Now we'll place the mixture in a double boil setup for about 35 minutes. People can spend thousands on lavish treatments or procedures that sound luxurious and costly. But what surprised me the most wasn't found in a spa or a laboratory at all. One day, my grandmother laughed and handed me a banana peel. She said, "This thing everyone throws away is more powerful than many of the products you're using." At first, I thought she was joking, but when I learned its true benefits, I understood why the beauty industry would never want people to know this simple little secret. And today, I'm sharing it with you. After the infusion process is finished, you'll have a concentrated oil mixture that's far richer in nutrients than when it began. This blend supports the skin's elasticity, improves firmness, and brings a natural glow, something many people assume only expensive products can achieve. Next, once the infused oil has cooled a bit, we'll strain the mixture. You can use a fine cloth or a small sieve to separate the clear oil from the plant material. The oil you collect from this step is often playfully called golden oil because it's so nutrient-rich that just a few drops may help the skin feel noticeably refreshed. To enhance the benefits of this golden oil, we'll add a few small but very important ingredients. First, add 12 drops of grapeseed oil, well known for helping the skin look brighter, reducing dullness and supporting a naturally even tone thanks to its plant-based vitamin C content. Next, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Not only does it provide a soothing, refreshing scent, but it also gently relaxes the skin, helping ease tension, which can contribute to the aging process. Finally, we add vitamin E, often called the hero in age-supporting skincare. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, supports elasticity, softens the look of tiny scars, and enhances smoothness. When combined, it acts like a gentle protective shield, deeply moisturizing and supporting skin renewal. With this nurturing, protecting, restoring approach, the oil becomes a natural, yet effective support for mature skin, offering a sense of renewal and comfort. To use this nourishing oil, simply apply a small amount around the eye area, forehead, neck, and chest. Then gently massage in upward motions. These areas have thinner skin and tend to show lines more easily, so regular massage helps support circulation and gives a natural lifting feel. Leave the oil on overnight so the nutrients can absorb comfortably. Store the remaining oil in a clean glass jar and keep it in a cool, dry place. Everyone has their own little skincare secret. What about you? Do you have any natural hair or skin tips that you or your family have passed along? I truly enjoy hearing real-life experiences like that. Your small recipe might become a wonderful solution for someone watching this video. Now we're going to elevate this recipe by combining the banana peel oil with flaxseed gel, a natural skin-firming secret trusted by many generations. Start by adding 2 teaspoons of flax seeds to a pot. Pour in 200 milliliters of water and simmer gently until the seeds release a thick gel. This gel is well known for supporting skin firmness, smoothing the surface, and providing long-lasting moisture thanks to flaxseed's natural water-binding properties. Flaxseed gel doesn't just hydrate the skin right away, it also contains omega-3s, antioxidants, and lignans, which may help soften lines, support elasticity, and give the skin a more even, luminous appearance over time. Once the gel thickens, strain it through a sieve or cloth to collect a smooth, clear gel with no grainy bits. This becomes the heart of the natural lifting serum we're about to create. To complete this upgraded serum, we'll add glycerin aloe gel and 1 spoonful of the banana oil we prepared earlier. First, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. This soothing natural ingredient supports cell renewal, eases irritation, and helps refresh tired skin. Next, add 1 teaspoon of glycerin, well known for its ability to draw moisture from the air and lock it into the skin, helping keep the complexion soft and hydrated for many hours. Finally, add 1 spoonful of banana oil to supply natural plant nutrients, creating a multi-layered effect that supports hydration, brightness, and elasticity. Once everything is combined, it forms a long-lasting serum that helps the skin feel smoother, firmer, and full of vitality over time. And remember, before applying the serum to a larger area, test a small amount on a small patch of skin first. This simple step helps avoid unwanted irritation and allows you to use it with confidence. Use it just like the first method. After a few applications, you may notice your skin feeling firmer, more even-toned, and noticeably smoother. Store the serum in a clean glass bottle and keep it in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and quality. The important thing is consistency and taking gentle care of yourself every day. When massaging your face, try combining it with slow, deep breathing to relax facial tension, ease stress, and support a better night's sleep, all of which may help your skin appear more youthful over time. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.